how to scroll Twitter hands-free on your Android device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can scroll Twitter hands-free on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. So first, you need to visit the Play Store and download this app, Automatic Scroll. Then, once you've downloaded it, open up the app, then click on the plus button. It will then ask you to select an app, so scroll down until you get to Twitter. And then check the box next to Twitter, and then click on OK. Then click on Start Service. Next, if you click the three dots in the top right hand corner, then click on Settings. This is where you can adjust the speed of scrolling. However, you can only do this on the premium version of the app, so I'm not going to do it here. So next, now that I've started the service, I'm going to open up the Twitter app. Then I'm just going to click on the down button on that blue bar that's appeared. And as you can see, Twitter is now scrolling automatically. And that's what it takes to scroll Twitter hands-free on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.